In this tutorial I will show you how to download Euro Truck Simulator 2 for PC. First you need to install and download Steam to your PC. Then open the Steam app. Next go to the search bar and search for Euro Truck Simulator 2. Here you can see different results. Click on the first result. Here you can either download the demo or purchase the game for $19.99 US. For example, let's download its demo. Click on the download button and click on the install button. That is how you can download Euro Truck Simulator 2 for PC.